Hello, welcome. You are listening to a calm exploration of yawning and sleepiness. This is a space where your mind can slow down and let go. Tonight, we will talk about yawning and sleep, and ask the question, are they always connected? Let's begin. You may have yawned already today. You may be yawning now. Yawning is a natural reflex. You open your mouth wide. You inhale deeply. And sometimes your eyes may water. Or your shoulders may shrug. It feels like a stretch, but for your face. But what is it? And why do we do it? Many people think yawning means you're sleepy. But that's only part of the story. Let's take a closer look. Yawning has been observed in humans and in many animals. Dogs yawn, cats yawn, even birds and reptiles. It's a behavior that has lasted millions of years, and yet we still don't fully understand it. One idea is that yawning helps us stay awake, not fall asleep. Yes, you heard that right. Some scientists believe yawning may be a way to increase alertness, not reduce it. Let me explain. Yawning brings in deep breath of air that cools the brain. You may not realize it, but your brain is sensitive to temperature. When it gets too warm, you feel foggy, slow, and unfocused. Yawning may act like a little fan, cooling down the brain, helping you think more clearly. This is why you might yawn when you're bored, or when you're not sleepy at all. You may be in a quiet meeting, a slow movie, or sitting in traffic. In those moments, your brain might be getting a little too warm or a little too relaxed. So, you yawn to reset, to stay alert, interesting, isn't it? Now, let's talk about sleepiness. Feeling sleepy is different. Sleepiness is your body's way of saying it needs rest. Your muscles get heavy, your thoughts drift, your eyes blink more slowly. This is your circadian rhythm, your internal clock, telling you it's time. Time to sleep. But yawning doesn't always mean you're there yet. Sometimes yawning happens long before actual sleepiness. Other times, it happens when you wake up, not when you're drifting off. Have you ever yawned after getting out of bed? It's called a morning yawn. It stretches your lungs, releases tension in the face, and gently signals the body it's time to begin the day. Yawning in the morning, yawning before bed. Two very different meanings, but the same simple reflex. Let's go deeper. There's another reason we yawn. It's social. Yes. Yawns are contagious. You know the feeling. Someone yawns, you see it. Then you yawn too. It's not just a coincidence. It's a real response. Studies show that seeing someone yawn, or even hearing a yawn, can trigger one in you. But why? Some researchers believe it's a form of empathy, a way to connect with others. One member of a group yawns, the others might be more likely to do it too. It might be a signal that it's time to rest, or that the group is becoming calm, even synchronized. Think of animals in the wild. A pack of wolves or a group of lions. When one yawns, others often follow. It could be a silent signal. Let's slow down. Let's relax. Let's be still. It might be the same with us. Yawns as quiet social cues. Maybe you're yawning now. If so, that's okay. It means you're relaxing. It means your body is listening. You're doing just fine. Now, there's one more idea. Yawning and oxygen. Some theories once suggested yawning brings in more oxygen and helps remove carbon dioxide. But studies have shown this is probably not the full picture. Breathing faster or slower doesn't really change how much we yawn. So the oxygen theory, while popular, may not be entirely true. It seems yawning is more complex, a mix of signals, temperature, alertness, boredom, empathy, and yes, sometimes sleepiness, but not always. So are yawning and sleepiness always connected? No, but sometimes they are. The next time you yawn, notice when it happens. Are you sleepy? Are you bored? Did someone else just yawn? Or are you just stretching your face? There's no wrong answer. Yawning is natural, helpful, and mysterious. As we close our eyes tonight, we can appreciate the quiet role yawns play. In our lives, they help us pause, reset, connect. They are small whispers from the body, saying, I'm here, I'm ready, let's rest. So now, let yourself be still. No need to force sleep. No need to chase it. Just breathe. Gently. Softly. You've learned something simple tonight. About yawns. About yourself. You are safe. You are calm. You are allowed to rest. Thank you for spending this time here. Good night and sleep well.